Yeah, here I will show you how I changed this old shoe into a beautiful crochet shoe. Just watch out what I will be doing. So I'm going to cut off the leather with this thing now. Like that. Just cut it out. That's it. So I already have my hose. You can see it here. So I'll be working with the hose here. I'll be making use of 3 size 9 white thread. Because the sole is white. That's why I'm using white thread. Then you make your knot. After that, then start slip knitting. Then, yes, I removed part of this video because some part of it are not clear. That's why I jumped to this stage. Just keep slip knitting like what you're seeing here. You make a slip knit on the next stitch, pass your crochet hook like this. Then you slip knit. Keep doing that till you go round the sole. That's it. Just keep working till you go round the sole. Yeah, you can see it. So after working on the sole, we are going to work on the insole now. So this is the old one. I'll be using this one now. I'll be using 1 milk color and 2 carton color. That is what I have here. 1 milk color and 2 carton color. I'll be working 4 single crochets on each hole. 4 single crochets on each hole. That's it. After each one, you give a little space and create another hole. Just keep working till you go around the insole. Yeah, you can see it. Then start fixing. Thus, fix with single crochets all through. I think I already have video on how to fix this insole. So you can go back to my channel if you're not clear on this one and check how to crochet and fix your insole. Yeah, here is it. You can see it. So let's start creating the design. So the person said I should repeat the same design. The same design I have on this old sole. So I'm going to repeat it on the new one. I've already done 1 belt. You can see we have 3 belts here. 3 belts. So I've already done 1. Here is it. So this one I've already crocheted is this one I'm holding now. This particular one. I started it with 25 chains. Then make 2 rows. That's how I got this one. And then I use 5 size 9 twine thread. That is what I use. 5 size 9 twine thread. Then make 2 rows. Starting with 25 chains. Then after that, I did this other one. The same thing. 25 chains. Make 2 rows. From here to here. You make 25 chains, then make 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, these 2 now. This particular 2. That is it here. So let's crochet this last belt. This one I started with 23 chains, then make 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. 23 chains, then make 2 rows. So let's work the back belt, as in the back design. Here is it. So, but I will first make this one. So I started this one with 15 chains, then 2 rows. So this is how the belt runs. You can see it. So, but I will first make the other belt. There you can see it. I started with 15 chains, then make 2 rows. So here I'll be folding 4 stitches. Fold 4 stitches. Then stitch it like this. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the opening. So let's repeat what we did here on the opposite side. This particular one now. This one. 15 chains, then make 2 rows. I'll be using here, this particular place, yes. You can see it. I'll be starting from here. 15 chains, make 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So if you watch, we can see that this other one is not straight. You can see it, but the other one is straight. So what I did here is on the last stitch, I crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew, then skip 1 stitch here. But on the other side, I skip the 2 stitches. So let's start the next one, this particular one now. I'll be starting it from here. Goes like this, then round. So this one I started with 61 chains, then make 2 rows. 61, then make 2 rows. That's how I got the long one. Then I'll be stitching it. This one goes in here. So I will stitch this one here like this. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it here. Then fix the buckle. Yeah, you can see it. I'm done. So if you love this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to crochet all kinds of crochets. Thank you. Bye.